Well, things happened a whole lot faster than I expected. Ailerons right. Yep. Aileron left. Yep. Elevators up. Yes. Elevators down. Rudder left. And rudder right. And notice the throws on the ailerons are much less than my first mini Talon. On the ailerons so far, I didn't change the linkages in the two V-tails. But I got started working on it. Got the ESC glued down. Got the flight controller in. Got everything hooked to the flight controller except for the camera and the pan and tilt. I mounted the little daughter board for USB and stuff right up here, and then the first thing I tried to plug into it, this spar was in the way, so I'm going to have to move that someplace else. Although I pulled it out a little bit, it's double-sided taped on there. It is actually working, so. The airspeed sensor down in there, working. Look on the underside. RC receiver working. I haven't done the hole for the antenna yet, or mounted it in a vertical orientation like it needs to be. And the video transmitter. There we go. The video transmitter is working. I've got an antenna on it, but I do not have a camera plugged in right now, so I can't tell about the video. Other than that, and I haven't calibrated the ESC either. Other than that, everything really came along much faster than I thought it was going to be. Okay, I've got a little problem with this center spar. I'm going to have to cut about as much as you see that crack off the right edge of this spar to get it to line up. This spar right here to get it to line up. Just that much off of it. And then the wings will go tight. I got them tied on this side. And I did that just so all the slop would be over here and I would be able to tell how much of it is needed to be cut off. I forgot to show that the compass, I keep calling these things compasses, of course they are. It's the GPS module, which includes a compass. It's on and working. And let's see if we go over to the computer here.
So I made up a little 3-pin cable to connect the camera to the flight controller, and here it is. This is the little receiver on my workstation. Hey, over there. Little video receiver on my workstation receiving the video from the platform. What could be better? So I made up a little 3-pin cable to connect the camera to the flight controller, and here it is. This is the little receiver on my workstation. Hey, over there. And this is Mission Planner, and as you can see, I already have a 3D fix. 12 satellites locked up, a nice horizontal dilution of percentage. Battery voltage from my bench power supply, I'm actually sending in 14.7 volts. So the calibration of that seems pretty good at this point. I'll just probably leave it the way it is. One other thing I can test right now is the airspeed sensor, and my lovely assistant across the room will help us with that. There you go. You can see the numbers going up, so the airspeed sensor's working. What else can I say? There's not much else at this time. I am about ready to do my CG testing already. I said I wouldn't be back that soon, but darn if I didn't get finished sooner than I thought I would.
Okay, guys. Did get in the second, the new 8743 wing for the Sky Hunter that I had cannibalized. So I might finish this model before I leave Monday. Who knows? Thanks again.